How do I connect all the child items in this Figma file into one auto layout, which is hopefully going to be responsive? Let's break it down. First, I want to start with child items like the icon and the text, and eventually with the button itself, and convert into one button. And when I finish, I will make an auto layout, Shift A, with the top part and the message part as well, and then kind of group it, but not group it, auto layout it and call it top part. And when I finish, I will do the same thing for the left hand side with this text and with the image itself. And I will repeat the same process for the rest of these news sections. And when I finish, I will go down to the footer section by aligning the left hand side first and with the icon second, and call this button. And before forgetting, I will make one auto layout and call it like middle section, and for that part particularly I'm going to left aligned like in the original design. When I finish, I will take these three child elements, top, middle and bottom, and carry to my frame. But if I leave it as frame, it's not going to be responsive, so I will select everything, Shift A to auto layout, and as long as I have these three sections, as long as the height will be a hug, I can take one more news and duplicate as much as I want, so it will automatically adjust the size for you. So there you go, you have a properly managed auto layout. And if from this point of view I want to rename these things, I will hit Command R and write news. And basically it. So I hope that helps. It is not so hard at all. It's all about making more progress and getting used to it. If you want to do this exercise, feel free to follow us on figma.com/0to-UI. You will see for each exercise I will be putting here in the community section, and when you press you will see that we have on the right hand side the auto layout version, versus on the middle section it is going to be basically 22 different child elements for you to try yourself. And let me know down below if you need something else and I will help you out. Thanks for watching.